Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off notifications on Discord. This is super quick and easy to do. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch Discord and then click on User Settings from the bottom left of the screen next to your username. From the Settings page, select Notifications from the left sidebar. Disable this first option called Enable Desktop Notifications. This will turn off push notifications on your desktop. If you want to turn off notifications for individual servers or channels, then right-click on the channel or server and then select Notifications followed by Nothing. You can also mute channels here, meaning it won't display a badge when there are new messages. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.